Unlocking reading comprehension. Identify strengths and weaknesses. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the realm of reading comprehension, a critical aspect of the ACT. One of the most beneficial strategies is identifying your strengths and weaknesses. By the end of this video, you'll know how to do just that, and it will be a game changer in your test preparation. So, let's get started. Understanding where you excel and where you need more practice can optimize your study time and boost your confidence. 1. Efficient study time. If you know what you're good at, you can spend less time on those areas and more on the areas that need work. 2. Boosted confidence. Recognizing your strengths can give you a much-needed morale boost during the test. 3. Strategic test taking. During the actual test, knowing your strengths can help you quickly tackle questions you're confident in and allocate more time to challenging ones. To identify your strengths in reading comprehension. 1. Practice regularly. Take several practice tests or sections. 2. Review correct answers. Look at the questions you consistently get right. What type of passages are they? What's the subject matter? 3. Analyze question types. Are you nailing the main idea questions? Or maybe the inferences? Tip. Always trust yourself on areas you identify as strengths. This self-trust can be invaluable during the test. Identifying weaknesses is just as crucial, if not more so. Here's how. 1. Focus on mistakes. After a practice test, review every incorrect answer. Try to determine why you chose the wrong answer. 2. Categorize the mistakes. Are they consistently from a certain type of passage? Or a certain type of question? 3. Seek feedback. Sometimes, it's helpful to have a teacher or peer look over your mistakes. They might see patterns you've missed. Remember, a weakness is just a strength in the making. Don't get disheartened. Instead, use it as a guide to focus your efforts. With a clear picture of your strengths and weaknesses. 1. Allocate time wisely. Spend more time on weak areas, but don't neglect your strengths entirely. 2. Seek resources. Find specific reading comprehension exercises targeting your weak points. 3. Track your progress. Every few weeks, take another practice test to see if your weak areas have improved. And there we have it. By identifying your strengths and weaknesses in reading comprehension, you're not just preparing for the ACT, you're strategizing for success. Remember, every reader and test taker is unique. Understand yourself, and the battle is half won. We hope this video brings clarity to your preparation journey. Until next time, happy studying.